Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 17th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 14 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World's first 3D printed electric Abra was launched in. Answer is Dubai. Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, has launched the trial operation of the world's first electric Abra, manufactured using 3D printing technology. The Abra, a half-boat half-raft, used to transfer people across the Dubai Creek in Dubai, can accommodate 20 passengers and was designed and built to retain the traditional Abra identity. The Abra, which is 11 meters long and 3.1 meters wide, is powered by an electric propulsion system with two 10-kilowatt motors with lithium batteries. Question number 2. Uttarakhand has established its first ever bird gallery in. Answer is Dehradun. The research wing of the Uttarakhand Forest Department established Uttarakhand's first bird gallery at the Nature Education Centre, Jolly Grant, in Dehradun, on 15th July. This gallery showcases high-resolution images of Uttarakhand's birds, giving visitors an eye-catching display of the state's feathery inhabitants. Uttarakhand has the highest number of bird species reported in India, with over 710 species, which is more than 50% of India's bird species. Question number 3. Which city made a world record by planting 11 lakh trees in a day? Answer is Indore. Indore created a new world record on 14th July by planting 11 lakh saplings in 24 hours as part of Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. More than 30,000 people, including 40-plus NRIs hailing from Indore, participated in the world record creating tree plantation drive on the Revati Range hillock located on Indore-Ujjain Road. Previous world record of 9.26 lakh saplings in a single day held in Assam on September 2023. Question number 4. How many medals has India won in the 35th International Biology Olympiad? Answer is 4 medals. The 35th International Biology Olympiad, IBO, in 2024 was organized from 7th to 14th July 2024 in Astana, Kazakhstan. The Indian team, which participated at the 35th International Biology Olympiad 2024, achieved remarkable success with 1 student winning a gold medal and 3 students securing silver medals. The International Biology Olympiad, IBO, saw participation from 305 students representing 80 countries and a total of 29 gold medals were awarded. Question number 5. Which country will host the inaugural Olympic Esports Games in 2025? Answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia will host the inaugural Olympic Esports Games in 2025, the International Olympic Committee announced on 12 July 2024. Saudi Arabia and the International Olympic Committee have announced a 12-year agreement to host the new Esports Olympics in the Ulrich Kingdom, starting from 2025. Question number 6. 2024 World Heritage Young Professionals Forum meeting was started in. Answer is New Delhi. The 2024 World Heritage Young Professionals Forum meeting commenced in New Delhi on 15th July 2024. The theme of the World Heritage Young Professionals Forum is World Heritage in the 21st Century, Building Capacities and Exploring Opportunities for Youth. The World Heritage Young Professionals Forum was inaugurated by Govind Mohan, Secretary of Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Question number 7. Which country has won the 48th Copa America tournament? Answer is Argentina. The 48th Copa America was hosted by United States of America from 21st June to 15th July 2024, and 16 countries' men's football teams participated in it. Argentina won their 16th Copa America football title by defeating Colombia 1-0 in the final of the 48th Copa America, played at the Hard Rock Stadium in Miami, USA. Copa America is the world's oldest international football tournament, which was started by CONMEBOL in 1916. Question number 8. Who has received the Pat Tillman Award 2024? Answer is Prince Harry. Prince Harry has received the Pat Tillman Award 2024 for service at the Excellence in Sports Performance Yearly ESPY Awards in USA. He was honored in recognition of his The Invictus Games Foundation, a platform for sports competition for wounded, injured, and sick service men and women. In 2023, Damar Hamlin presented the Pat Tillman Award to the Buffalo Bills training staff, who helped save his life during a game. Question number 9. Which country has been chosen to host the board of the UN Loss and Damage Fund? Answer is Philippines. The Philippines has been chosen to host the board of the Loss and Damage Fund created by United Nations. The Loss and Damage Fund was set up at the COP27 UN Climate Change Conference in 2022 to help countries that are weak and have been hit by natural disasters. Question number 10. Rajiv Kumar has been appointed as the Director General of Police, DGP, of. Answer is West Bengal. The West Bengal government on 15th July reinstated senior IPS officer Rajiv Kumar as the Director General of Police, DGP, of West Bengal. Mr. Kumar will replace Sanjoy Mukherjee. The current DGP, Sanjoy Mukherjee, has been transferred to the role of Director General of Fire and Emergency Services. Mr. Kumar will continue to hold his current post of Additional Chief Secretary in the Department of Information Technology and Electronics. Question number 11. In which state did Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurate PM College of Excellence? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on 14th July inaugurated the Pradhan Mantri Colleges of Excellence in all 55 districts of the state from Indore in Madhya Pradesh. These colleges of excellence, where all courses will be offered as per new education policy, NEP, and will aim to impart employment-oriented education, are coming up at an estimated cost of 486 crore rupees. Question number 12. Which state cabinet recently approved the rationalization of zero electricity bill provision? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal Pradesh cabinet gave its approval on 12th July to rationalize the provisions for zero electricity bills for domestic consumers by restricting subsidy to one family, 1 meter, and interlinking power connections with ration cards. The Himachal Pradesh cabinet decided to withdraw the free electricity scheme for all income tax payers due to the poor financial health of the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board. Previously, electricity bills for up to 125 units per month were free in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 13. Which state government decided to ban the sale of high-caffeine energy drinks near schools? Answer is Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government has decided to ban the sale of high-caffeine energy drinks within 500 meters of schools. FDA Minister Dharmarao Baba Atram announced the decision to protect student health by limiting caffeine intake. This step aims to create healthier environments for students and mitigate adverse effects of excessive caffeine consumption. Question number 14. Who has launched the One Scientist, One Product scheme? Answer is ICAR. On 16 July 2024, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, has launched the One Scientist, One Product scheme to revolutionize the landscape of agricultural and animal husbandry research in India. The launch of this innovative scheme coincides with ICAR's 96th Foundation Day, adding to the significance of the occasion. ICAR was established in 16 July 1929. It also released 323 varieties of 56 crops, including cereals, oilseeds, forage crops, and sugarcane. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.